Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today we are gonna make this beautiful and easy bracelet. I was looking for a very easy project to make. I've been absent for a while due to some health issues and I didn't want to make something complicated, and I think this project is perfect. It's easy, it's fast, you can do it if you are a beginner because you don't need any kind of knowledge. And these are the supplies you need. First of all, you need to cut yourself a piece of thread like 20 centimeters long and bend it in half. This is a little trick I use. It's just a piece of wire I use as a needle to thread the beads. And now you have to insert the beads. I used like 13, but it depends on your wrist measurements. You may need more, just be careful with that. What you can do is to insert 20, for example, and if you need less, you can remove them at the end, it's okay. Now it's time to do a little bit of macrame. Just tie a square knot. This is very simple. Grab the right string, take it to the left, passing over the two central cords. Grab the left string, be sure it's placed over the right string, and now go underneath and then up through the loop. Pull to tighten a little bit, and congratulations, you have half of the knot done. Now let's make the other half. Grab the left string and take it to the right. Take the right string, put it over the left one, and go underneath. Now up through the loop and all done. Pull to tighten very well, this is very important. Add your first bead like this. Be sure it's very close to the knot. And now separate those cords we have on the center to make a gap. Take the right string, go through the loop like this, and take it back to the right. Let's do the same with the other side. Grab the left cord, go through the loop, and take it back to the left. Now slide another bead up. No worries because you're gonna see something really weird, but it's okay, no panic. Pull every cord gently like this. First the right, then the left, and let's repeat. Open those central cords we have. Now take the right cord, go through the loop, take it back to the right. Now take the left cord, go through the loop, and take it back to the left. Slide that bead, the next bead, up again to get that weird thing we got there before. Pull one of the sides, now the other. And that's it. This is the process. It's really easy. All you have to do is to repeat this all the times you need. This time I'm just making an example, but obviously you have to repeat this until you can cover all around your wrist. By the way, I forgot to tell you, this red cord measures like a meter more or less, but remember you may need more or less depending on how thin or thick your wrist is. When you are done, once you inserted the last bead, you have to make another square knot. So remember, first take your left cord to the right, being sure it's over the central black cords. Take the right strand, go underneath, and now up through the loop you should have on the left. Then take your right strand, take it to the left. Now take the left strand, go underneath and up through the loop. Pull to tighten very, very well. Cut the excessive cord you may have and burn the tails to seal the bracelet. And then, when you're done, you should have something similar to this. Actually, it was very easy, isn't it? To close the bracelet, I'm going to use another square knot to make it adjustable, but you can close it however you want, maybe using some clasp or just with a simple knot. Up to you guys. This time I'm using a thinner cord because I didn't like the one I was using for the bracelet. But as usual, just do whatever you want, the thing you like the most. This is your choice. And of course, there's no need to mention that the process to make this square knot is the same as we did before. I think that 3 square knots is enough to close it, but you can make as many knots as you want. But being honest, I think 3 is the perfect amount of knots. 3 knots looks nice and it holds the bracelet very well. But again, it's up to you. Remember, here you are the boss. So when you are happy, cut the excessive cord you have and burn the tails to seal it. When I finish this time of closing, I always check it's working perfectly, because sometimes if you make it too tight, it's not working as it should. So it's always a good thing to check it. And this is it, guys. This is how it looks. Did you like it? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy.